Do you want to unhide tagged photos on Instagram? You can unhide tagged posts on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unhide tagged photos or posts on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you're on your profile page. Select the tag icon to view all tagged pictures, videos, and posts. Here, I have 3 pictures that others tagged me in. First, let me hide one, and after that, I will show you how to unhide and make the hidden tagged post visible on your profile. Tap on one of the tagged posts. Tap on the 3 dots menu at the top right of the post. A pop-up appears, tap on Tag Options. Again, a new pop-up appears. From here, select Hide from my profile. Now, I am refreshing my profile page. Look, one post is hidden from my profile. Now, to unhide and add the hidden picture back to my profile. Search for and go to the friend's profile who tagged you. From the friend's profile, find the post that you want to unhide and add to your profile. Tap on the 3 dots menu at the top right of the image or video. From the pop-up menu, select Tag Options. Now, choose Show in My Profile from here. Now, the tagged post will be visible again on your Instagram profile under the Tagged section.